Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how Synder can record invoices to a QuickBooks, applying the correct tax code to them. If you have a non-US QuickBooks company, this video is for you. It may sometimes happen that there is no tax data in your payment processor, like Stripe, Amazon, Shopify, or whatever you're using, but you still need to record this tax data to your books for each transaction that is being synchronized. And Synder can easily do this for you with the help of the Smart Rules feature. In order to set up the app accordingly, go to Smart Rules, Templates, select Taxes for Non-US, and let's take a look at the Set Tax and Invoice template. Here you will see the three major blocks: the trigger or the start when block, which means that the rule will work whenever Synder synchronizes an invoice to your QuickBooks. One or more conditions, the if blocks, and then blocks, actions. You can edit each and every block according to your accounting needs, having Synder work for you perfectly. So let me show you how it's done. Let's edit the first if block, the first condition. Here it says that if shipping address country contains CA or Canada, then a certain action will take place. In order to edit this condition, you can click on any drop-down and select from any of the options that you see in the list, so you can base your condition on line description, amount, date, memo, whatever you see here. I'm pretty happy with the shipping address. However, I want to change country to region. I want to apply a specific tax code based on the region of the sale. I go for contains ON or Ontario. And you can see that the values are changing in this block as well. Now let's adjust the action. Click the then block, and to see that whenever an invoice is synchronized, Synder will update it in your books. And to tell the app how it should update it, click Set QuickBooks Entity Data. Select the tax calculation type, the tax code needed, and Update All in the Product and Services line in order for Synder to update the whole invoice. Click Submit. As you can see, I have another condition here. So let's take a look at it. And let's say I want to base it on a completely different thing. So instead of shipping address, I'm selecting line description, saying that it should contain this very value. And I want Synder to update this invoice the following way. So I'm selecting the calculation type again, the tax code, and Update All one more time. If you want Synder to update a certain line in your transaction, not the whole transaction, then you select Update Line in here. If you don't need a certain condition, you can delete it by clicking the crosses on the action and condition in here. If you do need to add another condition or a couple of more conditions, you can build up the rule and make it as big as you wish. Just click No under the first condition and set it up according to your needs. I'm pretty happy with how this rule looks for me now, so I'm saving it. And let's see what will happen as a result. As you see, the needed tax code was applied to my transaction based on the shipping details. And this is exactly what I just set up in the Synder Smart Rule.